Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate client inquiries for travel agencies via WhatsApp. Let's suppose I am running an online business of travel agency and I am receiving many inquiries. Now I am automatically going to reply to all the inquiries sent by my customers because doing this manually is consuming a lot of my time, and that's why I've created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now when I'm going to create this WhatsApp chatbot and when a user sends me a message, automatically the reply will be sent to this user based on the query which they have sent to me. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create a WhatsApp chatbot for the travel agencies. And here I have created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of which I'm going to automate all the conversations. We are going to create this WhatsApp chatbot, but before that, we are going to check whether this is working fine or not. So here I am going to send some message. Hey, I want to book travel from your agency. I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. And instantly it has sent me this message. Welcome to Globetrotter Holidays. Ready for your next adventure? Please choose one of our exciting travel packages. We have this Europe tour, Asia package and the USA road trip. Let's go with this Europe tour, and then it is going to send me another message. Amazing choice. Our Europe tour includes 10 days across France, Italy and Switzerland. To proceed, I need few details. So it is asking me for my full name. I am going to write this message, send this message. I'm going to send my message and it is going to ask me on what date do I want to travel. So I'm going to enter any date, like I'm going to send this message and it is going to send me the next message. So it is saying your Europe tour is almost booked. And then it has sent me a personalized message which has my name on it. Please complete your payment to confirm the trip. It has sent me the payment link. If I open this payment link, I will be redirected towards this page from where I can make this payment. And then let us know once payment is done to receive your itinerary. If I click on this payment done, it is going to send me a message and also send me an itinerary. And then if I click on the send itinerary, it is going to send me the itinerary. And if I download this, let's download this and check what I have received. So this is the itinerary, 10-day itinerary of Europe tour which I have received, and it has all the complete details. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And now if you want to learn how you can create this interesting WhatsApp chatbot, then let's start creating this from the beginning. So here in this video, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And to visit Pabbly Chatflow, you simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with thousands of users, experts and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can connect with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. We have two options here, WhatsApp Connect and the manual token connect. You can use this WhatsApp Connect to connect your WhatsApp, or you can use a manual token to create your own Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to learn the step-by-step method, then please visit our YouTube channel. Now I have already created my own Pabbly Chatflow account. I'm going to open it, and here I have landed towards the dashboard. On the left hand side where you can see all these options, we have all the features which will help us create this WhatsApp chatbot. So if you want to learn in detail all of these features, then you can visit our YouTube channel. We have created a detailed video on all of these features. Now to create a WhatsApp chatbot, we have to go towards the flows and then open the flows. So I'm going to open this. And here we have landed towards this flow builder. We can see the total flows, active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow button. So let's open this. Now I have landed towards this page where you can see this box. So this box is going to help us trigger this WhatsApp conversation. But before we start creating this WhatsApp chatbot, let me quickly name this too. So here I have named this to automate client inquiries for travel agencies via WhatsApp. And now let's start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. So here we have this box of trigger, and if I click on this trigger event, we can see so many trigger events which we have. We can either use the regex keyword match, or we can use the user starts conversation and template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to list, and then the rest of the features. Here I'm going to use it as keyword and the regex match. But if you want to trigger your WhatsApp chatbot with the help of any of the triggers, you can do that. I'm going to enter the regex. So over here, I'm creating a WhatsApp chatbot for the travel agency. I'm going to enter the keyword as travel. Here it let's suppose, and then we have this option of regex. So regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify different patterns of words and variables. I'm going to use a pattern over here, and whenever we are going to use regex, we have to make sure that we enter the same pattern. This particular pattern is automatically going to trigger this WhatsApp chatbot without needing me to add the different keywords. So here I have added the keywords. If you want, you can use the keywords. If you want, you can use the regex. When the user is going to send a message which includes the keyword, only then this WhatsApp chatbot is going to get triggered. Or if a customer is sending a message and the message includes all the things which you have not entered in the keyword, with the help of this regex, your WhatsApp chatbot is going to get triggered. Here we have triggered this WhatsApp chatbot. We have entered the keywords and the regex, and now if I go back to my WhatsApp, you can see as soon as someone has sent me the message, the reply was sent to me. So how I was able to do this? For that, I'm going to go towards my flow. I'm going to click on the circle, drag and drop the circle, and then I'm going to select the choose content type. We have this text plus button, media button, list, single product, multi-product, single AI message, template. So if suppose someone messages me, I'm going to send them the message in the reply. So as soon as my WhatsApp chatbot gets triggered, I'm going to send them the message. So I'm going to send them the message plus button, and that's why I'm going to select this text plus button. I'm going to create the message like. So here I have provided this message. This is the message which I have created. Welcome to Global Trotter Holidays, ready for your next adventure, and then please choose one of the exciting package. I'm going to provide 3 options, but if you want, what you can do, you can simply drag and drop this list, and then you can provide all the options which you want to send to your customer. So here I am going to provide 3 options. So I have entered the 3 buttons. I'm going to add the buttons like, first is Europe tour, then the Asia package, then the USA road trip. So here I have provided the message, and now I'm going to provide the details. Like if I open my WhatsApp, you can see as soon as the customer has selected that package, I'm going to ask them few questions, and then I'm going to provide the payment link, and then I'm going to send them this message. Or if they want to get the itinerary first, I'm going to send them this itinerary, and then if they want to do the payment, I'm going to send them that message. So I'm going to create and complete this WhatsApp chatbot quickly in this manner, and then after that we are going to understand the other features. So here I have completed this flow, and here I have created all the messages for this Europe tour. Similarly, you can create all the messages for the list if you are creating, or for the buttons if you are creating. So in this Europe tour, if someone selects this Europe tour, I'm going to send them this message, amazing choice, this is the plan, and before that I want to get your details. I'm going to ask them for the details, and over here you can see that I have not used the text button box. Instead I have used this question. Now on the left hand side, we have very most important, the buttons and the messages I have already explained to you in the trigger event, and then we have this actions. You can see all the actions which we have. We can apply or create conditions, and then we can ask the address, location, question, media to be uploaded. We can set the custom field. We can add the tag. We can send these details, the customer details, to another CRM or the application, or we can use AI assistant in the same flow, or we can connect one flow to another flow. Now here I have asked the question. I've simply drag and drop this question box, and then I've asked the question, what's your full name? And then I have created this contact custom field. Please make sure that whenever you create a question, you create a contact custom field for that question. Here I have created a question for the full name, and then I have created a contact custom field. So over here, I have asked the question. Again, I have asked the question for the date. I have created a contact custom field for the date. I have selected the format. Here I have selected the format as any, and then over here I have selected the format as text because I just want the name. As soon as I receive these details, I'm going to send them the payment link, and then when they do the payment, I'm going to send them the thank you message and the travel itinerary. Now over here, let's go back towards this question box. I've created this contact custom field, and with the help of this, I'm going to save the details of my customer and also create a personalized message. So here, this is the last message which we have sent. If I open my WhatsApp, you can see I have received a personalized message. So with the help of this contact custom field only, we were able to do this. If I open this contact custom field, on the left hand side where you can see all these options, we have to go towards the settings, and I'm going to open this contact custom fields in a new tab. And over here in this contact custom field, you can see all the fields which I've created. I've created a full name field, and to make the messages personalized, what I've done, first I've asked the name, and as soon as I've received the name, I've simply copied this. Here contact custom field copied to clipboard, and I have pasted that over here. Like suppose in any message in which you want to create a personalized message, you will paste this and you will see whenever you are going to send the message, it will be sent as a personalized message, because this dollar full name we have created in contact custom field is going to make our messages personalized. So here we can use this contact custom field to create personalized messages and save the details of our leads. If I open my contact custom field, if I scroll further, you can see add more field. You can simply click on this add more field. You can add the field name and then the description and simply save this. You can use this to collect as many as details from your customers, and you can add as many as contact custom fields in your Pabbly Chatflow account. So here I have asked the question, I have selected the contact custom field for that particular question, selected the format, and then I have used this text button in which I have written this message, and I have used the same dollar full name to create this personalized message. I have added the payment link, and when they have done the payment, they will click on this payment done, and as soon as they do that, I'm going to send them the thank you message. Or if they want to check the itinerary before doing the payment, they are going to click on the send itinerary, and I'm going to send them this. Now how I was able to send this document? For that, I'm simply going to click on this messages, and I have drag and drop this media button, made connection between this circle and this circle, selected the media type as document, and I have already downloaded the document. So I'm simply going to select and open that document, and you will be able to upload that document, build the connection, and you will be able to send it. You can also add the captions, and over here I have added in the text button only this document. So if I drag and drop this text button and I write any text over here, you can see this add button. If I wanted to add any button, I would have added that. So over here I have not added the button. Instead, in this text button, I have simply clicked on this add content, and I have selected my content type as media, and in this manner I was able to send the message also and the document also. Now we have created this flow, and you can extend this flow in the similar manner for the rest of the buttons and options. So here I have created this flow, and we have to make sure that we activate this button. If we do not keep this active, the messages won't be sent, and also that we save this flow. If we do not save the flow, all our messages will be lost. If I open my WhatsApp again, and I'm going to delete the chats, and I'm going to send the message again, whether it replies to me or not, and here it is. In seconds it has given me the reply. If I click on this Europe tour, it is going to start sending me the next message. So I have entered my name. I'm going to enter the date also. I'm going to send the date, and it is going to send me the next message. If I click on this, I have added the link, payment link, and it has sent me this payment link. And if I click on this payment done, it is going to send me the message with the itinerary. And if I click on the send itinerary, it is going to send me the itinerary only. So here we have created a WhatsApp chatbot for travel agency. If you have any doubts, you can comment down the video below. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.